to remove admin in Messenger group. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can remove the admin in your Messenger group. So to remove the admin in your Messenger group, you have to follow this step. So first of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Then on the search bar, you have to search for the Messenger here. Once you have searched for the Messenger, if there is any update available, then you have to download the latest version of your Messenger app. After that, here you have to open up your Messenger and go for the one of the group that you want to remove the admin from. So once you are on your group chat, you have to go for the eye icon which is on the top right. And after that, you can scroll down and here on the chat info, you can see the members here. So go for the admin option here. So here you can see only one admin. So if you are the admin of this group, then you can't. So if you have created this group, then you can't remove the admin in your Messenger group. So you have to go for the all option and click on the one of the person that you want to invite as an admin. Go for the invite as an admin, go for the add option here. So here you can see the two admin option. So here you can see the two admin. So you have to go and press on that. So here you have to click on that admin and go for the remove as an admin. So go for the remove. So here you can see that. So you can't remove the creator of the group. You can't remove the creator of the group. So you can remove the admin who was added later. That's the process how you can remove admin in your Messenger group. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.